How's it going, everybody? I want to introduce y'all to our latest project. We got a 1993 bass boat. This thing's been sitting up for quite a while, so it needs quite a bit of attention, but heck, I've never had a boat before, so I'll take any chance I can get to get a boat. So me and my boy, we've been trying to fish from the bank for a while now, and I mean, we've had a little bit of success, but I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I'm not a great fisherman, but it sucks fishing from the bank. I see all these guys getting out there on these bass boats, or any kind of boat, frankly, and getting out in the middle of the lake and just catching monsters, man. And it's just like, I got to get out there in the middle of the lake and do that. So, talking to some friends, finally got the chance to go get this monster. Had a friend of mine and said, hey, I know y'all looking for a boat. I got this thing that's sitting up, it needs a lot of work. Come pick it up, see if you can do what you can with it, and we'll kind of go from there. So here we are. Done quite a bit of work already. We have got the floors somewhat pulled out. The plywood on this vessel is just garbage. It is gone. It's been sitting out in the elements. When we picked it up, there was a large piece of a tree growing up out of it, which I'll show you. So now that we've got the tree out of it, we're in the process of trying to redeck it, and we even got some cool carpet. We went down to our local Lowe's, and we have no idea what we're doing. So we're going down to the Lowe's, and, hey brother, what you got as far as your carpet for boats, man? And he's like, check this out. One of the main tasks that we're dealing with is that when we got this boat, it has a permanent inboard fuel tank inside of it. I don't know how big it is, but the fuel filler cap was missing from this thing, and it's been sitting out in the elements getting rain down in here. So the tank is just filled with complete garbage of water and what used to be gasoline, and who knows. But let's see what we can do to pump this gas tank out and try to maybe clean it, maybe get it freshened up. I don't know, maybe we'll need to get a new one, I don't know.
All this stuff used to be fiberglass, and still is, and all the wood's rotted out in it. So right when we took all the carpet out and everything, all of it just like fell apart. So one time some bad guy stole this boat, and he took a bunch of parts off and started to sell it and stuff. See, the windshield's gone and all kinds of stuff. So, but the cops found it and brought it back. So, it's pretty good.
There you go, Bubba. Dang, man, you got you some good looking floor there.
That's good.
What you think?
Don't look like wood anymore.
Doesn't look like there's any wood anymore. Oh. Got it out this way, so I think I ought to be able to get it in this way, I would think. How'd we get it out, buddy?
Got a screwdriver and pulled it.
Pried it a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me get a pry bar. There we go. Yeah. How's it look?
It looks pretty good. Now this is a super tricky part.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It looks nice.